The age-old question: what makes a woman truly fall in love with a guy? If you think it's his good looks, think again. Studies have shown that women choose good-looking guys for flings. The attributes and qualities that make women fall in love are much more than that. Women are intelligent beings. They never go for a man they think is not ideal for them. If a woman is going to fall in love with you, she will see if you possess certain qualities or not. This means you have to become a desirable man by doing things she likes. We are not implying that you have to give up your likes and dislikes, but we are asking you to adopt good qualities that are generally appreciated by every woman. Ready to learn what makes a woman truly fall in love with a guy? Watch this video to the end if you want to become a desirable and lovable man. When you know the basics of what makes a woman fall in love with a man, you can put yourself in a better position. Here are 10 characteristics of men that make a woman fall in love with him. Use these to attract her. Number 10. He respects everyone. A respectful man is always desirable. Women fall in love with a guy who shows respect to everyone. He treats each person, a relative, a senior, a youngster, or anyone, with respect. On top of that, if a guy also talks with strangers respectfully, a woman will truly love him because a man who also has a deep sense of self-respect is worth all that love. Women love men who respect their decisions. Such men are not scared to give their women space because they are not clingy or obsessive. He knows when to offer advice without overstepping her boundaries. He helps her become a better person. Such types of men and women may not agree with you, but they always have your back. They know the art of having a decent conversation, and that is what takes you forward in a relationship. Number 9. He is honest. Honesty is what makes a woman truly fall in love with a guy. You need to be honest about your life and actions to make yourself desirable. Try to tell the truth to her without hiding anything. If you are struggling with something or have dated women in the past, tell her. She will not judge you for your mistakes or past experiences, but instead will be happy that you have opened your vulnerable side to her. A woman finds honesty very attractive. It proves that you are sincere and try everything seriously. It also assures her that you are serious about her and will not betray her. You want a partner that you can depend on and who offers you honesty and support. Similarly, a woman would want someone who can support her, be there for her, and mean what they say. A dishonest and unreliable man will keep disappointing his partner and show that they don't value the relationship at all. Women do not like men who can fake things. As a result, face her with honesty and love in order to make her fall in love with you. Number 8. He is driven. Women go crazy over a goal-driven guy. He has a purpose in life. He is passionate about the things he loves to do. This means they have something to look forward to. Their zeal to achieve greater things is infectious because the women in their lives become similarly driven too. Unfortunately, some men spend their whole lives chasing women. Their lack of purpose makes them unattractive. They have nothing to bring to the table other than excuses. Being driven means a man can inspire others. Women truly fall in love with a guy who is busy achieving his goals. He does not waste his time on fruitless pursuits. He has a life outside of the relationship. Number 7. He is a family guy. Another important personality trait that makes any man lovable is his family-oriented nature. He loves and respects his family. Hence, if you want to impress a woman, show her that you are caring and also a family guy. What do they call such men? Husband material. Why is this important though? It is because a woman will fall in love with you if she sees a future with you. She wants to spend her life with you, but she needs to know if you're a family man. This means you have to dedicate time to your family as well as hers. You have to learn to appreciate your family members and to love them selflessly. It is one of the top things women want in their life partners. Things like cooking with your family, babysitting a nephew or niece, and occasionally getting gifts for your family can help you become a better family man. Number 6. He is financially stable. This is an ugly truth that men do not like to hear. Women like money, and not for selfish reasons. Women want to know if the man they're going to spend their whole life with can provide for them or not. Women are more practical than men in this matter. Financial stability means you can take her on a dinner date without worrying about the money factor. You can support a life of financial freedom for both of you. If you do not have that, you should not even think of getting into a relationship, because if a woman cannot see a future with you, she will walk away. However, if you want to make sure she is not just another gold digger, try to observe if she is using your earning capabilities as a litmus test for your viability in a long-term relationship. If yes, run as far away from her as possible. Number 5. He treats her as an equal. If you've ever felt inferior or silenced in a relationship, it could be because your partner did not treat you as an equal. Women are more likely to be at the receiving end of unfair social, economic, political, and sexual treatment. That's changing. Women now want to be seen as equals to men, not as competitors for dominance. The equal treatment causes a woman to fall deeply in love with a man. You need to make her feel like you're equal, not an inferior. This means having her back without pulling her down or mansplaining her. If you make her feel like a queen, you will be the only kind of person in her heart. The cherry on top is knowing how to appreciate her achievements. Take her advice on important matters so that she knows her opinion matters. If you treat her like an equal individual and partner, she will truly fall in love with you. Number 4. He is intelligent. Nobody is asking you to be pro-algebra intelligent. Instead, being intelligent here means being socially and emotionally intelligent. Even if you failed high school math, you should never fail at life. It's also a major plus if a man is socially and emotionally intelligent. A trait usually more evident in women, this means being able to read a situation, pick up on the subtext, and communicate accordingly. Moreover, emotional intelligence makes a man lovable because a woman can count on him to be predictable and reliable, and he's essentially someone you could rely on if you owned a home together or had a child with him. A study suggests that women consider intelligence an important factor when choosing a life partner. Most women find an intelligent man hot and desirable. She will surely love your geeky side and thoughtful nature. Number 3. He is kind. Let's admit for a second that some women are initially drawn to men based on good looks. Can she carry on a healthy relationship with that guy if he is not kind? Kindness is one of the qualities that helps establish a foundation and form a deeper connection and relationship with someone. A study revealed that for long relationships, women tend to prefer altruistic men who are kind and do good deeds. Kindness is an attractive quality. If a guy is kind, women fall in love with him because a man who knows how to calm their hearts and make them feel amazing is a 10. Calm and kind auras are attractive. If you are good at comforting others, you don't yell or slam things when you're upset, and you know how to make people around you feel safe, then you have all that it takes to become a lovable man. On the other hand, some women are used to doing things independently and taking care of their own needs. This does not mean they do not need a partner who is kind and compassionate. Keep making thoughtful, kind gestures to win their hearts. Number 2. He is present and attentive. This comes as no surprise. Men who are present, attentive, and non-judgmental are more attractive. This means you focus on what your partner has to say rather than looking at your phone, even on the most important occasions. A man should be emotionally present while his significant other is talking, and he should expect her to do the same in return. But being present also includes being responsive. This means if a woman texts or calls you, you need to respond ASAP. Women truly love a man who listens to them without interrupting. He pays attention to small details and hears her out as if nothing else in the world matters at that moment. So next time, listen to whatever she is saying very carefully. Number 1. He is non-judgmental. Nobody is perfect. All of us have flaws. What sets us apart from others is how we embrace those differences and use them to our advantage. A woman truly falls in love with a guy who makes her feel comfortable in her skin. She can be herself around him. He does not attempt to change her. If you are the guy who helps her overcome her flaws and accepts her the way she is, she will fall in love with you. She will truly fall in love with you for your non-judgmental nature. All of these qualities will make her choose you over her current prospects. Hence, if you want your crush to fall in love with you, show your best personality to her. Also, please keep up the good work. This brings us to the end of the video. Add all of these qualities to your personality and set the bar high for men out there. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 10 skills every man needs to master in order to become a high-value man. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.